Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I have a couple more entries to my IC challenge that I'm hosting this month, and I have three more. I'm going to do a separate video on those. Those look like packages and I'm not sure what's in them, but I know that these are entries, so let me share them with you. My first entry comes from Kathy Randall. Oh my gosh, Kathy. Thank you so much for joining my challenge. Look at this cute little card. It says beep beep. It says, hi Tereese, enclosed you will find my IC card for your challenge. Have enjoyed seeing all the wonderful entries you have gotten so far. Hugs, Kathy Randall. Oh, thank you, Kathy. Oh my gosh. I have to get my this is I need to do another challenge because this is so much fun. But probably not until after the summer. I'm going to be very busy. Oh my gosh. These ICs have been, oh my gosh, look how cute. Wow. Oh my gosh, Kathy, this is so pretty. I love it. I love these mopeds or scooters. And look at this little dog and the pink background. And this bling around here is stunning. It is so sparkly, and you have it on the wheels. Oh my gosh. So let me open it up so everybody can see it better, because I'm not doing it any justice whatsoever. Look how it sparkles. It's so pretty. I love it. Thank you, Kathy. So her info is on the back. Kathy's in New York and her birthday is April 19th. Her favorite color is blue and pink. Her favorite tool is her Gemini. Her crafty style is shabby chic, altering items, and she enjoys all kinds of crafts. Thank you so much, Kathy. This is so pretty. I love it. So that is from Kathy. She is, what, number 26? And where's my other one? Where did my other package go? Oh, this is my package right here. Oh, geez, isn't that terrible? So this one comes from Nick's Crafty Corner. Oh my gosh, I love that. So pretty. So it says, look at this cute card. It says a little note to say hi. And she says, hi Tereese, congrats on your channel success and reaching 2K subbies. Hope you like my entry for your challenge. Crafty hugs, Nyx. Nyx Crafty Corner. Nyx, I love it. It is so cute. I mean, I'm loving each and every one of these cards. Oh my gosh. I love this image. I love all the layers with the doily, the butterfly. This says smile every day. Cute. I love it. So her name, oh my gosh, I can't pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Her YouTube channel is Nyx Crafty Corner. Her birthday is March 20th. Her favorite color is pink. Yay, that's my favorite color too. Favorite style is free. I didn't know that was a style. Interesting. Favorite crafty tool is her paper trimmer. So thank you, Nyx. This is so cool. I love the vintage girl. Thank you so much, ladies, for entering into my challenge. And this will be 26 and number 27 on my challenge. So thanks guys for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.